All right, Trace. Hello and good morning. So we've got the ETF positions currently up for a brief overview of the end of week update. So I added a little bit. Would have been, this would have been on Monday. It was in the account by Monday early morning. I put it in on Friday. So this is the positions and this is what's going on. So they spread it across bonds and cash, Australian shares, gold, emerging shares, and global shares. So gold's been a little disappointing, but it's not too bad. All right. We'll leave that. And now, okay, so here are the share positions. We've seen ABB came back a little, credit clear. I'm still in credit clear. CSL, DOU moved a little bit, which was okay. EM1 I'm in still. That's been suspended, and we'll wait and see what happens with that. FMG. FMG at one point was over my entry price, but it's back down now. So I had a nice run at the start of the week. First few days of the week, and then it came back down. IAU, I'm still on that. Media, that's been, I'm like 50% on that. That's pretty nice. Real Life, they're involved with beauty products in China. They are based in Australia, but they had some good activity earlier on, but they had cooled off a little bit. And then Telstra, I got into Telstra on Wednesday, and that's moved pretty nice. Again, a small position. I really could load it up on $5 grand, but I didn't. And then Zip, I'm in Zip a little bit here, as you can see. And that's my P&L for that. So I'm in Zip 7.5 grand's worth as well. So 605 was the entry. And then I've got some US positions open as well. I didn't open any others. I've got Apple here, entry at 113. So this isn't too bad. It was pretty cool. As in cooled down on this. That's sort of been so. As you can see, the day is a bit for Apple and Tesla's cooled down a little bit as well. National. There it is. Okay. So that's another entry on Tesla. It took 1.31%. I'm down on that. So I was thinking about adding, but I haven't done that. So nothing really pulled back aggressively enough. So we'll see for next week. I'm also watching NEO. We'll roll this into a watch list video for the same video as well. And I'm in Ethereum, a small position in Ethereum. I'm still building my confidence on that. So that's how that's looking. I got in at 34 at 71. It's really making a 10 now. So we'll see where that goes. And then the Forex managed accounts. So that's cooled off a little bit, as you can see, for October, November. So this has been, there we go. 20th of October to the 19th of November. And now what we'll do, we'll close that down. It is early in the morning, guys, but I just thought I'd squeeze in a video. Just update everyone on what's going on. It was in regards to the ASX portfolio that I have. It was flat to slightly negative, really, as you saw there. So down around 1% on the account. Which is not fantastic, but it's okay, you know. Where are we going with this? Let's go to NEO. Let's bring up NEO here. Chinese EV play. I see. So there was an opportunity there. Market must have closed at 5, so it's unfortunate. And So Jets is an airline ETF based in the States. Let's see how that's looking. Interesting. Would have liked to see it just trickle down some more. So that's unfortunate as well. Jets, PBW. And that's clean energy. 10 is solar. PBW is a whole bunch of renewable energy companies as formed with that ETF. So, 10, not that exciting. That's your chef. Let's cool down a little bit. There'll be an opportunity there. So, look, the PBW, 10, and Jets are all ETFs in the States, so I can trade that with the ComSec account. I'm probably late to the party here, though. So, in regards to a watch list, Qantas. Qantas is one. The travel stocks really had a nice start to the week when the vaccine announcement was made. Oh, man, come on. I do have my superannuation with Qantas. I worked for them for 7 years as well, so that's why. But I haven't really done an in-depth investigation into who's probably the best performer and, the pros and cons of fees and high fees and low fees. I probably need to start doing that as well. Because I added a little bit to the Qantas. I added 20,000 to the super account a little while ago, probably when things were just doing not much in the ASX and everything, probably like a month ago. So things have been moving pretty nicely on that recently. But with this stock here, I was really wanting it to sort of come back down to earth, but it hasn't done that. So yeah. Look, watch list is going to be dependent from the US stocks. It's going to be dependent on pullbacks, and I probably will be getting into probably 10, the solar play. The thesis there would be just Joe Biden favoring renewable energies, and probably a little bit in PBW as well. Probably 2,500 on each, I would say, for a longer term play, several years. All right. And maybe Jets as well. Oil. Let's see when I type. Let's see what oil is doing. Let's go Brent crude. Let's cool down a little. Okay, so it's been moving, man. There was a friend of mine. We were discussing oil as well. Let's go oil again. Let's see. I haven't actually said Brent crude. Okay, so it's the exact same. Okay. Interesting. Always go high time frames, guys. Go to the daily. That bounce. 5. What was the low though? 16. And it has closed that gap now as well. Yeah. Cooled off a little. It's interesting to me. You know what? I would be looking to get in oil here, to be honest. So that's something I'll add to the watch list as well. It's sort of, it's not the best, value, but sorry, I'm still waking up to the morning. Had a big work project I was taking care of last night, but I thought, let's get a video in. Let's get a video in at 5 and get the market closed. And I've just been beaten by the market close, so that's unfortunate. But all I don't mind here. I'd love it to cool, down to like less than 40, but we'll see. That's something else. I'd probably see if I can on ComSec with that as well for oil, but maybe not. If it's CFDs, I've got a MetaTrader account with Orlando, so a lot of accounts, guys. A busy person with regard to opportunities. So, but if it's moving and if there's opportunity there, you might as well trade it. The Deribit account, they do need verification details as well now, so which I think is being handled, but we'll see. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Please leave a comment, questions, feel free. Negative feedback, positive feedback, whatever you want, that's fine. This is what I'm doing though. So I remember I discussed this a while ago before I sold my house, and I've mentioned this before as well. I'm not in property. That's why there's some money around. You know what I mean? Like if I had a house, probably wouldn't be the case. Unless I bought a house in Armadale or something and a firearm probably as well. You know what? I shouldn't judge. I've not lived in Armadale before. So, but, I've explained my reasoning for not buying a property. I see more downside, especially I'm in Perth as well. So I do see more downside there. So I'm not really, I think it's going to steady off. It's not going to get any high for a while. So I'm not really actively looking, to be honest. If you watch the channel, you're probably asking why is there a gap between videos, and I post here. So this is where I've been posting, guys. So it's a paid forum, Forex Trading Asia. So that's what's been going on. Okay, so I apologize about that, but it's a daily post, so. And I keep it exclusive to the forum, so that's where I've been. All right, guys, thanks again. I'll leave it now, and I'll be back probably next week, to be honest. Bye, guys.